Good morning, and happy Friday. Today's the 21st, the last Friday of the school year. Woohoo! Here you go, junior high kids. Please click on the calendar link to see all of our dates that are coming up for next year. You should be able to put all our concerts in, yada, yada, yada. School is out next week on Wednesday. Remember, that's an early dismissal. If you're a new member for marching band, that means if you're an 8th grader going into marching band next year, May 26th, which is the last day of school, we're going to have an orientation style camp there, 3:30 to 5:30, and that's going to be at the high school band room. The most important thing, please complete this registration survey. So many of you have not filled that out. It's like 3 questions long. Please fill that out. Let's see, there's a bunch of summer dates that I just wanted everyone to know about. New member marching camp, freshmen, your drumline camp is this week. Your marching band camp are these days. There will not be 6th through 8th grade summer camp this year. And beginning band summer lessons for my incoming 5th graders will be these days. All right. High school kids, please go click on this calendar link. You should be able to put all of our dates in here except for competitions. I have not put competitions on the calendar yet, but concerts are there and a lot of our other performances are there. School is out on Wednesday. Remember, that's an early dismissal. New member orientation band camp is the 26th, the last day of school. We do have a Memorial Day parade and ceremony. That's May 31st, Memorial Day, and that's going to be in Gridley, not in El Paso. We will warm up at 10 a.m. at the junior high. The parade's at 10:30 and the ceremony is at 11. So there's that. I will be sending out an itinerary in paper form to your students today, but in case you didn't get that, it's also going to be attached to this email. Most important, please complete this registration survey as soon as possible. Still have a few of you who have marked I'm not sure or who haven't responded yet. Please do that. If you responded with a you're not doing band next year, I'm just going to be reaching out to your parents and making sure that you're not doing this in secret, and seeing if I can find out a little more about that so that I can maybe improve band. All right, here we go. Summer dates. You see our new member orientation camp here, drumline camp here, marching band camp here. All of the other dates are up here in the calendar link, so go to our website and check out that calendar. Thanks for a great school year, everybody. Have a great Friday, and that's it.